Hello guys. Today I will show you how to make real-time update time in PHP. So this web page I was created before starting this video. So if you want this web, go to this video description below and click the download link. Now go to the tutorial. This is a very easy method. Firstly, open Visual Studio or any other PHP editing software. I use Visual Studio. Then I will show you change my time using HTML. Here like this. But it's not perfect. Now I will show you update automatically time in PHP. Now you can see we update our time, but if it works, we want to refresh our web page. So I will use the refresh method in PHP. Like this. So let's see guys, it works. Wow, it's cool. Okay guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. If you improved your knowledge in this video, click the like button and share your best coding partners. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon next video guys. Have a nice day. Work hard, stay safe.